In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes in Google Meet. Whether you're attending a virtual meeting for work, school, or catching up with friends and family, it's always useful to have a reliable way to capture important points. So let's dive in and make sure that the next time a meeting rolls around, you'll be equipped with the tools you need to take precise and effective notes. All right, let's begin by opening Google Meet. Head over to your browser and type in Google Meet, then click on the Sign In button. This will direct you to a page where you can access your Google account. If you have more than one account, you'll see an option to choose your preferred Google account. Simply select the account you want to use for your meeting and proceed to the next step by typing in your password. Once you've done that, click Next, and you'll find yourself ready to start. Now, before we hop into the meeting itself, there's a helpful tool we can incorporate, especially if note taking is a crucial part of your routine. Open a new tab and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Here you'll want to search for an extension called Tactic AI Note Taker. This handy extension is specifically designed to make note taking easier and more efficient during your meetings. Add it to Chrome by clicking the Add to Chrome button. Once it's installed, select Google Meet as your meeting app and then click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enable Tactic and allow it to integrate with your meetings. Go ahead and click on Allow, and at this point, you'll likely need to log in with your account. This is straightforward, and once it's completed, you're ready to return to Google Meet. Back on the Google Meet page, it's time to get things moving. Click on New Meeting to set up your meeting space, and from the options available, select Start an Instant Meeting. This option is great if you need to get going without any delays or pre-scheduling. Almost immediately, you'll notice the meeting interface has started, and thanks to the Tactic extension we added earlier, a note taker will automatically appear in the meeting window. This feature is like having a digital assistant. It will capture the conversation in real time, ensuring that you can focus on the content without worrying about missing any key details. That's it, folks. By following these steps, not only have you set up your Google Meet session, but you've also integrated a smart way to capture thorough notes, all with the help of a simple extension. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that the next time you're in a Google Meet, you feel equipped and ready to make the most of your meeting. Thank you for watching and happy note taking.